Right, I'm going to try and do a whole lap and explain why I'm doing what I'm doing. I prefer the inside here because it sets you up nice and here. Prefer that outside just because I can hit it fast. I'm going to really into this. Not too fast here. Very easy to over jump that stuff. The bike's still in third gear. Yep. I'm going to ride around the edge here. Miss all the fun. Nice jump over there. Still in third gear. What's going on here? Mother's meeting. Inside. Scrub. Just takes some speed out of the height because when you flat land that it hurts. Oh. I'm going to go inside to outside here, then stay outside. That's the smoothest line. Down in here, I'm on my pegs, sitting down now. I'm going to cut back. And again, I'm going to cut back on this corner because it gives me a straighter line for the jump. Oh, I cased that. Hard on the brakes. Go to the right, smoother. Because I'm a show off, I'm going to blow this berm. Not too fast here. Keep it clean. Nice little whip over this. Carry a bit of speed into this rut because it's slippy. That jump's horrible. Try and get the inside again. I'll be real gentle on the power. Oh, I wasn't even harsh on the power then, it slipped. I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to do a hot lap on this. And then I'm going to do a hot lap on Mike's YZF 450. We'll start the counter when I go past there. Let's hope we don't. Let's hope no one gets in the way. Alright, go. Time off, Slippy. I'm gonna say that the Yam is gonna be a bit wild. But it might have a bit better suspension actually. I'm not pushing too hard. Oh, is that guy going to be in the way? We're going to have to go for it. Michael's got the freestyle edition. So when he's doing his backflip knack-knacks, he can just whip that out of the way. I mean, you don't need that one because, like,
I tired it, hasn't it? Jesus. It's fucking, but that's someone's camera.
no, you can't.
I think that's probably the best.
You can't do that.
No. What do you do? Fucking.
Here we go on the old YZ. What year is it? 21? 2020. So it's a year newer than the KX. I'm expecting this to be a bit more aggressive. We're going to do a couple of slow laps just to get used to the bike. And then, yeah, we'll see what the lap times say. Woohoo! It's playful. It's very playful. Oh, she's got more tack than my bike. This bike's in a lot more aggressive setting. I've got mine in the tame mat, they call it. Forward, I noticed that. Oh, suspension's a bit soft for me as well. Slightly. He's a smoother max. Yeah, definitely. I'm getting way more arm pump at the moment than on my bike. Find it a bit more unpredictable as well. The question is, are we going to do the step down? No, because there's someone in front. We're going to have to take the time out from the lip now to landing. I'll add that time. Wow, it's powerful. I don't like this bike. I know it's not set up for me, but oh my! I got a lot of arm pump just from that. If I can hold on to it, it's probably quicker. But in my opinion, the YZF is a little too fast to be able to ride hard, if that makes sense. But it'll be interesting to see what the lap times say.